Alrighty, so totally stock setup here. Running the gem fan prop set that came with, stock tune, everything. Running a 1300 milliamp 6S. So definitely can carry a way bigger battery, but I may do something like that later on. I'm going to be getting some bigger batteries down the road, but don't have anything larger than this right now, so probably do a little bit of freestyle. Do some flippy floppies. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing any matty flips with this monster. Tune seems alright. A little bit of bounce back there. Not any wind right now, so I'm running the Hero8 on here. I'm running hyper smooth, no real steady. You guys compare the onboard DJI footage to the GoPro footage. Not sure how useful this the audio recording is here of my voice and the prop sounds. I do have to sometimes raise the volume because it's barely audible. So I'm not sure how useful it is, because some people say that they hear weird stuff, and that may just be the lack of decent audio recording from a distance. Just want to give you guys a little bit of a listen to what the props sound like. And these guys are doing some work over here. It's kind of noisy there. There's like a forklift right there. Alright, so we'll just cruise around a little bit. I am, after all that, I'm at 22.7 volts at 2.5 minutes of flight. Of course, this has GPS on here. GPS rescue not set up out of the box. So there are instructions in the box that explain how to set it up. But if there's if you want to see a video on how to set it up, just watch the GPS rescue setup for the Sector 5. I'll link that video in the description. It's basically you just need to make sure that you set up GPS on a switch, on an aux channel. And then in the failsafe tab, make sure that the GPS rescue is triggered on failsafe. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to test it here because I know that it works. It's beta flight 4.2, I believe, so there really isn't anything that needs to be tested, because you're just basically testing what beta flight would do, and we already know that it works in other quads. So as long as you set it up properly, it should work. So it's pretty empty here, not a whole lot of people. But yeah, just cruising around. Let's see, the amp meter is reading. Let's just complete this turn, and we'll just kind of cruise forward here slowly. Roughly, that's kind of bouncing around 7, 8, 9 amps, just kind of cruising. So I'm at 4 minutes of flight, 22.2 volts. Obviously, this is set up for long flights. I'm not going to be doing any range testing or endurance flights, because after about 5 minutes or so, it's kind of hard for me to focus. So I'm going to be cutting off the flight here shortly. I think as I get older, flying for longer than about 5 minutes at a time is getting to be quite difficult for me. So if you're looking for those 30-minute flights, you're gonna have to find another channel for that. Overall, it sounds great. Really smooth tune. They've done a really good job on this, as usual. iFlight's designs, their builds, everything's just getting better and better all the time. 21.8. I usually land about 21 volts, so I'm guessing this 1300 is probably going to be able to go roughly, I'd say 8 minutes, I guess. Maybe a little longer depending on how you're flying. And if you got a bigger battery on here, I think they're saying at least at 3,000 milliamp hour and above. So I think this tune is actually designed for a heavier battery. It'll fly even smoother with a heavier battery. So with a bigger battery, you're in the, say, double the capacity from 1300 to 2600. You're looking at probably 15-minute flight. And then, of course, if you're looking to do extended range and 30-minute flights or whatever, then you're going to probably want to go to a lithium-ion pack. I think Zod HD makes a 6S lithium-ion pack. I'll link some down in the description. You guys can check those out if you really want them. All right, my eyes and my fingers are getting cramped here, so I'm going to end the flight here. Almost 7 minutes. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, it's flying great. Nothing really unusual going on here. Well done, iFlight. Let me know what you guys think.